Hey, what's happening, y'all? Check it out. So, we're going to talk about vivarium substrates today. Hot topic for sure. I'm old school. I still use all these substrates. A lot of folks now use foam filter mats as a drainage and basically replacing the soil and then putting leaf litter on top of that for the microfauna, frogs to hide, and for the plants. But anyway, this is how I do it. Let's get into it. We're going to start with LECA. You're going to place 2 to 4 inch layer at the bottom for drainage. Separate it from the substrate with a barrier, with a substrate barrier, and then add your substrate. All right. So next up is peat moss. You're going to do 1 part peat moss or 1 part tree fern fiber if you can find it. I just have a hard time finding a good source. So that's great for moisture retention and to create a humid environment. Next is milled sphagnum. I do about a half a part of milled sphagnum. You could probably omit it, really, but it's a good additive for vivariums, primarily for a moisture retention. Next is orchid bark. I do 1 to 2 parts of orchid bark. Love it. Excellent for drainage, aeration, and moisture retention. Good stuff. Use it. And finally, horticultural charcoal. It kind of acts as a natural filter and improves soil conditions. And finally, we've got leaf litter. I use magnolia leaves or oak leaves. Great for microfauna, improves substrate health through nutrient cycling, retaining humidity, etc. That's it, y'all. Peace.